I want to introduce you to 3 qualifying questions for a niche. Number 1, is the prospect making 5k per month or more? Number 2, are you passionate about the niche? Now, this is not an absolute requirement. However, having a deeper reason and passion towards the prospect's business does help, which then leads us on to the third question, which is, do you understand the niche? Students, I want you all to understand 50% of client acquisition is about sales principles, but the remaining 50% is about the niche specific language you use to understand and close the prospect. This and the 3 qualifying questions is the reason as to why niche research is so important. For this, I recommend you watch some videos online about the niche or business model you are interested in. Google and YouTube is a great place to start. Some examples of what you'd look up are: how do you become your niche? How does your niche make money? How to open your niche/business? Then once you have done this first level of research, you want to go and explore certain benchmarks such as revenue, profit margins, expenses, etc. So again, here's some examples of what you should look up. How much does the average your niche make a year? What's the average profit margin of your niche? How many employees does the average your niche have? What sort of expenses does your niche have? And remember to always keep the 3 qualifying questions in mind whenever you're selecting your niche.